Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to my real estate investing adventures. I hope you're doing well out there. How's your real estate investing going? Are you successful? Do you really believe it's your destiny to be successful in real estate investing and you're going to make this happen? Or are you facing different struggles? Financial struggles, getting up to go to work struggle, paying the bills struggle. Sometimes people look at struggles, and I know struggles can be tough. They can really hold you back. Things pop up, bills come up, things happen that you have to deal with. And a lot of times you deal with those problems and issues and you become a better person. But sometimes you lose that mindset, that focus, that desire that real estate investing is your destiny. Well, I want to tell you this. I travel the country. I meet thousands of people every year. I want to let you know that you too can do this. But you got to focus on it. You got to tell yourself it's your destiny. You got to make goals. You got to read those goals morning, afternoon, evening. You got to believe that you can do it. That's why I often say believe and achieve. I want everybody out there to know I've met a lot of people from all different backgrounds, and those that believe they can do it, those that work at it, those that are confident usually make it happen. So I want to see all you overcome any struggles you have. Get out there, look at properties, make offers, and put together deals, and make your real estate dreams a reality. So take care, believe and achieve. Until next time, bye-bye.